Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add flat payments on Wix. What do I mean by flat payments or flat rate? Simply means that you can add that the tax will already be included in the price, in the total price, right? So the person will not see one price and then at the checkout, they will see a tax where they need to basically pay the tax on top of that. So if you want to add a flat rate on your website that will include the tax in one rate, then you can easily do it. And let me show you how to actually achieve that. Once you're inside Wix, go ahead and look on the left hand side and you'll find settings and you will find the tax section right here on the finance and payment. So you click on that. Under this section, guys, you will scroll down and you will find a section called tax settings. Tax should be added at checkout. This is the current settings that is set by default, but you can set tax already include in my prices. Once you select this, then it will be like in one full price or one flat rate for the user at checkout, right? So, or the customer at checkout. So that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys, if you want to include tax in the price on your website. And that's it.